Okay, today I'm doing a air filter change for a 2014 Dodge Charger. This is pretty similar for most models. I'm going to change not only the engine air filter but the cabin air filter. Starting here, you got a bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt here, and it hooks into the bracket behind it. You shouldn't need to take any of these others off. This is the STP filter I got. Looks just like this. Okay, once you take those three out, you can angle it up and lift it out of the way, so you don't need to take anything out. The old filter, changing it for age more so than, it is dirty. Not horrible, but it is dirty. Make sure if there's anything inside that you can clean it out. If you can vacuum it out, it's good. There's a couple little twigs. Okay, the new filter will just slide right in as a replacement, just like that. And throw the other one in the bag so I can get rid of it. Make sure you hook in the tabs at the back. And once you got the tabs, you can screw these back in. And that'll lock it back into place. Make sure you don't over tighten them, otherwise you'll strip them out. So fairly simple. And this one here. I went to get an oil change. Usually I would do it myself, but pressed for time, so paid their convenience fee, which it would have been cheaper to just go buy the oil. Okay, so now that all those are done, I already changed the cabin air filter, but to do it, you got two clips here. Pull the clips off. Right there is your cabin air filter. There's two tabs in the front. Pop those up. Pull your old one out, and when you put your new one in, make sure the arrows are pointed toward the rear of the car. So you're just gonna drop your new one in. Okay, there we go. Drop your new one in, snap the tabs back into place. Put your cover back on. And same thing, they got tabs on them to put them in place. Snap the one, snap the other one, and you've just saved yourself probably about 30-40 bucks from an oil change place. This one cabin air filter they want it $50 for. At the auto parts store it's 20 bucks. You can probably find it cheaper at some other places if you shop around, but it was for a good brand. It was STP, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Hopefully you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and have fun with it.